So now let's talk about how to throw it and how to jump on it. This is the good stuff. This is the stuff you definitely want to know so you don't embarrass yourself the first time. Okay, first thing you need to know about throwing it is you're going to hold it with two hands. You're going to take one hand, if you're left or right-handed, put it on the bottom. The other hand is going to go about 4/5 of the way up the board. Hold it like that. And then as you throw it, you want to put the front end right so the middle hits first, and then so that the back guides it along. A lot of times the throw is the thing that really messes people up, and it's something that you get as time goes along. You start getting better and better, but a lot of times the first time you throw it, it's going to hit nose first. But the objective is to get it to plane over the water. So when you're throwing it, you want to throw it as close as you can to where the water and the sand meet, so that you have just a thin layer. And depending on what kind of board you're using, that kind of lets you know how thin you can go. So first, before you even jump on, I would suggest throwing it a few times back and forth to make sure that's good before you jump on.